Welcome to Autoverse, your ultimate destination for automotive expertise and guidance. If you're passionate about cars and dedicated to their care, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about maintaining the incredible Corvette Zora. Let's get started. The Corvette Zora is a marvel of engineering, blending speed, precision, and cutting-edge technology. To keep this mid-engine supercar in pristine condition, regular care and attention are essential. It's not just about driving, it's about preserving the experience of owning one of Chevrolet's greatest creations. Starting with the exterior, the Zora's aerodynamic design demands special care. Wash your car using a pH-neutral car shampoo to avoid damaging the paint. Rinse thoroughly to prevent residue, then dry it with a microfiber towel to avoid swirl marks. Remember, a ceramic coating can offer long-term protection against dirt and UV rays while enhancing that iconic Corvette shine. Waxing the Zora every 3 months not only enhances its looks but also protects the paint from harsh elements. When working on the wheels, use a dedicated wheel cleaner to safely remove brake dust from those stunning rims without compromising their finish. Moving inside, the Zora's luxurious interior deserves just as much attention. Use a vacuum with a soft brush attachment to clean the seats and carpets. For the leather surfaces, invest in a high-quality leather cleaner and conditioner to maintain their soft texture and prevent cracking. The digital displays and touchscreens should be wiped gently with a microfiber cloth and a screen-safe cleaner to avoid scratches or smudges. Now, let's talk about the heart of the Corvette Zora, the powerful twin-turbocharged V8 engine. Regular engine inspections are vital to ensure performance and longevity. Check the oil levels every 500 miles or before any long drive. Use only the manufacturer-recommended synthetic oil for optimal performance. Replace the air filter every 10,000 miles or as needed to keep the engine breathing freely. This not only improves performance but also helps with fuel efficiency. Don't forget to inspect the cooling system regularly, as the Zora's high-performance engine relies on proper temperature regulation. The Zora's incredible handling comes from its advanced suspension and high-performance tires. Always keep your tires inflated to the recommended pressure to ensure safety and improve fuel efficiency. Rotate the tires every 7,500 miles to ensure even wear. Additionally, inspect the suspension system for any unusual noises or handling issues, as these could indicate wear or damage that needs attention. Finally, ensure that your Zora receives regular servicing from an authorized Chevrolet service center. Following the manufacturer's maintenance schedule will keep your car running smoothly and protect your warranty. From software updates to in-depth inspections, these checkups are crucial for preserving your investment. Owning a Corvette Zora isn't just about driving, it's about appreciating and caring for a masterpiece of automotive engineering. By following these tips, you'll ensure that your Zora remains in top condition for years to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autoverse for more automotive insights. See you in the next video.